Ay giniit ng Malacanang na si Pangulong Aquino ang mag-aanunsyo kung sino ang magiging pambato ng administrasyon sa nalalapit na 2016 presidential elections. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Laceta sa pahayag umano ni DOTC Secretary at Acting President ng Liberal Party na si Emilio June Abaya na si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas umano ang magiging standard bearer ng ruling party. Ayon kay Laceta, wala pang ipinatutupad na selection process kaya mainam na hintayin na lamang ang pahayag ng Pangulo.
Ang sinabi ni Secretary June Abaya is basing on his quote is it is his personal opinion, primarily because the LP has not started the process, and also I can't say beyond that because the president already said in one of the ambush interview that he will announce it at the proper time. So let's wait till the president's final imprimatur kung ano ba talaga, who his choice will be, and let's just wait for that.